Good day, my name is Kian Luisi Tavor and I'm from BSN 2A. For this video, I'll be doing the bag technique. So what is a bag technique? Bag technique is a tool by which the nurse, during her home visit, will enable her or him to perform a nursing procedure with ease and deftness. So, pagkarating natin sa bahay ng ating patient, ang una natin gagawin is mag-greet at magpakilala. So, after natin magpakilala sa patient natin, i-assess na naman natin yung needs niya and establish rapport to family members to promote cooperation and identify the client and explain the procedure to be done and take the client's health history. So, after nun is itatanong natin si client if meron ba silang mga flat surface or box or mga pwede natin mapagpatungan ng ating OB bag. Magandang araw po ma'am. So ako po si Kian Luisi Tavor, student nurse po from University of Luzon. So ngayong umaga po is magko-conduct lang po ako ng home visit and bag technique. And i-explain ko po kung ano po yung magiging procedure and i-assess ko po kayo. And then kukunin ko na din po yung health history niyo po. Okay lang po ba yun ma'am? Sige po, thank you po. So ngayon is ang gagawin natin is maglalagay tayo ng paper lining and plastic lining sa table para maiwasan natin ang contamination ng ating OB bag. So ilapag natin yung paper lining and then sa top ng paper lining is ilalagay na natin itong plastic lining. So, after natin malagay yan is ilalagay na natin itong ating OB bag sa left side natin. And make sure na yung strap is nasa ilalim ng OB bag para maiwasan ang contamination. So, the next is open na natin yung OB bag natin para kunin ang soap and yung towel para makapag hand wash na tayo. So, open na natin. So, yung towel and yung soap. So, after hand washing, yung ginamit natin na towel and hand soap is ilalagay na natin dito sa right side natin. And then, next is i-open na natin itong ating OB bag para kunin yung mga kailangan natin gamitin para sa Benedict's test. So, after doing the necessary care, is ang gagawin natin is lilinisan na natin itong mga nagamit natin na gamit and yung gagamitin natin is yung ating alcohol and ang ating cotton balls. So, linisan na natin sila. So, after natin malinisan yung mga gamit na ginamit natin is mag-hand wash tayo ulit. So after natin mag-hand wash is maglalagay naman tayo ulit ng alcohol sa kamay natin dahil ibabalik na natin yung mga gamit na ginamit natin sa OB bag. So after natin nalagay lahat ng mga ginamit natin sa OB bag is tatanggalin na natin itong plastic lining and paper lining. So of course, kukunin muna natin ang ating OB bag. And then, itutupi na natin itong plastic lining from outer to inner. And ilalagay na natin sa plastic. And same din sa paper lining, outer to inner. So after ng procedure natin and yung bag technique natin is let's record the visit accurately and write down the necessary things we need to know. So yan. So for the last one, make an appointment for the next visit by writing down the date and the time for your next visit. So that's all. Thank you for watching.